So this is vlog 5, and last vlog you had seen I'd gone to kind of grassland. The what valley is it? This is what valley? Huh? No yaar. What is the name of this valley? Aru Valley. And just see the ASMR sound of the water splashing, man. So good. Just hear this for 5 minutes. So good. So yeah, we're gonna proceed for some time till there, like, and yeah, I'll see some valleys. Okay, perfect. Okay, tripod it to another manchi. Guys, another thing, I made a mistake, man. Forgot to bring a tripod. Adda, po. Okay. So guys, my mother is telling to take some sasta photo that I need to take. Just see the scenery, man. If you come to Kashmir, please visit Aru Valley and the two following valleys. Please, it's very good. Just refreshes your mind so good, you know. Just remember, you make sure you wear shoes and come, because there are tatties of horses in the road. So okay guys, meet you in 5 minutes. Guys, so many do like if they go to a hotel, they just oof on the bed. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the grass. 3, 2, 1, oof. Oh. Guys, grassland is very nice. Just see my POV, it's so nice. My POV and me. Just don't hope that the grass will stick out to my jeans. Hinga? Guys, there, I was just wondering, but this man is the real point. It's the real viewpoint. Waters! You don't hear it, but I can. Wow, man. Guys, if you're planning to go somewhere in India, this you should come. This place you should come. Aru Valley to Kashmir. Kashmir you should come. Oh, man. Next valley is there? Next valley is there? Beta Valley. Betab. So guys, this is only this outstanding. So next we're going Beta Valley and Aru Valley. You seen in the last vlog the view. So the Beta Valley is much better than this. So yeah, let's see. Hello guys, finally we have arrived to Beta Valley. So yeah, I'm going on a horse ride. I guess I'm going on a horse ride. Yeah, let's see what is to be done. So guys, I've took the ticket and yeah, I just arrived inside. And the first thing when you arrive to Beta Valley is this beautiful light blue pond-like thing. It's like a flowing stream. It's so nice. The sound of the rivers.
ये रोड चल के आप कितना चलेंगे सर कुछ नहीं
नहीं हम आपको वापस आएंगे आपको हमें
साहब
चाहिए
इधर
तो
वापस क्या स्टैंड जो है घोड़े का वो उधर ही है आप बात सुनो सर आपको रिजनेबल करेंगे लेकिन
From there
ड्राइवर का 1 घंटा टाइम होता है ना
to
1 घंटे
there.
में आप टूर ऐसे कंपनी नहीं करेंगे भाई आपको
So yeah, let's go on. I'll just show the main things, the main beautiful things. I don't want to waste my audience's time. Yeah. So guys, we're just walking and you can see the beautiful mountains that are very near us. Beautiful mountain near us. It's very outstanding and the water is flowing and we're walking about. Oh man, this is called heaven on earth. This is called heaven on earth. People are throwing rocks at the water. And see how clear the water is. And the reflection of the sun on the water. Just so amazing. Oh man. Some people are going there. And they are playing with the water, I think. So yeah, let's also go there. Let's go there. My mom is always on photos. So I'm finally going near the rivers. And just see the reflection, dude. It's so nice. The reflection on the screen of the phone is very different from my unaided eyes. Bye. Go ready. Go ready.
அப்படி இல்ல ஒரே போச்சு பாரு நான் போடுறேன் பாரு நான் போட்டா
My daddy's sasta trick. Guinness World Record. No, record பண்ணீங்க. Just take a flat stone and no man. Oh, fuck. It's so cold.
ரெடியா
Ready? Pochi.
நீங்க போடுறதுல போவாது
பாத்தியா? பக்கா.
ஒரே டப்பு
இங்க.
நீ போடு பத்தியா டப்பு போச்சு நான் போட்டு பத்தியா
Ready.
பிச்சாய் போடும்
गजब बेइज्जती है यार.
நான் போட்டா எடுக்கறியா வீடியோ
Ready. Boy. So guys, I'll just spend some time here. Before that, I'll just show you the scenery of the water.
I am take to Kal.
I'm take to Kal. Lol. Wow.
வாடா சுஜு வாடா
So amazing.
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிராத ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி
So guys, it's very cold here. Oh man. Come on Sujay, you can do it. Come on Sujay, you can do it. Pay the way, still up, I can do it. Tell us how, show us how. Selfie. So guys, this water, I asked the locals, they told this water comes from the glacier and I'm literally standing on it and no, it's just very cold, man. Just if you come to this valley, just don't step in this water, otherwise you'll die to death. I'm sure about that. My legs, it's just numbing. Ouch. And with that struggle, some sharp stones. Relief. I want to go again, man. I don't know, but I want to go again. I'll just take this stick. Wow, man. Wow. Oh man, guys, I'll just record afterwards, man. Sorry, I'm just having fun in this lake. So, guys, this is just a simple tourist spot. We have more to see. See my going. See my mummy going, taking risk. Go. Whoa, there's so much of algae here. I'll just slip and fall and go down the stream. Man, I don't want to take that risk because guys, when bad luck happened, my earphone soaked in water. So I don't know what to do. Yeah, karma. Huh? 400 calories, huh?
Say bye to 400 calories your body.
1 month का calorie 1 hour में ही निकाल दिया. So guys, the rivers, by rivers. So the plan is to go to a ice mountain. My father is saying I don't know. So let's see how is the ice mountain. I'm very depressed, yeah. Okay. My mic, dude. I missed it. Every second I have to wear it and hold it near my mouth. Shit. I guess I need to buy a new mic. So, new voice. So let's see how is the snow mountain because ice mountain, sorry, because it's not a season of snow. So the ice is next month. Why am I telling snow and ice? So the ice mountain, the snow will be snowing next month. So it is a peak season for travelers, international travelers. So it will be rush, it will be full, there will be queue in the taxi counter there, and the booking of the hotels will be little hard. So my father planned to book 1 month ago. Like even my holidays was not there after 1 month. So yeah, let's see how's the ice mountain. So guys, finally, like 1-2 hours before, we were watching this Green Mountain, and I was chilling. So nice, so nice. And guess what? Finally, I'm climbing it with this Sasta Hosi stick. Finally, my plan is to go till there and come back because trees na that's in steep. So yeah, I'll meet you there till where the mountain starts. So yeah. Jealousy. My mummy wearing 5 rupees sasta chappal and going this up. What to tell? I don't know. Lol, man. So guys, I'll just reach there till there and I'll just climb the mountain till there. Like, it's like trekking. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But Kashmir, yaar, this. Mom, what is the valley of the name? Beta Valley is the best, man. Just when you come to Sikkim and you see the tourist guide, please choose Beta Valley. It's very nice and so many places to explore in Beta Valley. Like the mountains ho gaya, and the rivers, the stream, and many more. Oh shit, I guess they put some mesh there. Let's see how it goes, man. Morika. So yeah guys, I'll meet you there. So guys, finally, okay, mela put. I've gone from there to here near the mountains. So yeah, my mummy is very tired right now, so I guess they're not going to join me. So I'm alone with you guys, climbing this mountain, and some trees have made some hole. Yeah, let's go. What to do? भाई बैग आप जाओ पहले. इट्स ओके ना गाइस, फाइनली மேலே போலடா, சீன் பார்க்கலாம். ஆச்சு, நான் மேலே போங்க. Guys, my mother is just lazy. Don't listen to her. Just hats off to those guys, yaar. At a distance. See those white shirt and some blue shirt auntie. They just passed that. Oh, my mother is coming. Wow. So guys, most of the time I'm not going to speak. For that, forgive me, because I'm short of breath. Just see this mountain here. I can sacrifice my short of breath for this mountain. My mother even taking photos. Yeah. ऊपर का व्यू अच्छा है ना?
ऊपर का व्यू अच्छा है या कुछ खास नहीं है?
मैं तो कहता हूँ वापस ही चलिए, हम भी इधर ऊपर ही देखने आए थे.
अच्छा है.
जानवर हो सकते हैं, आतंकवादी हो सकते हैं, मतलब कुछ पता नहीं है ना. वापस ही चलिए.
हाँ, थैंक्स. वो भैया खेल रहे हैं. मम्मी pollination flower इंगो है.
ஒண்ணு பண்ணாத.
pollination flower.
சரி வா.
वाव. குடிங்க.
யூ வாடா ரே, மிலிட்டரி செப்பாங்கடா, பாகிஸ்தான் கரங்க.
பாகிஸ்தான் கரங்களா ये?
நான் பாயிண்ட் பண்ணி உட்கார்ந்து.
Wow, man. So that Anna is chilling. There's some Atangwadis, Pakistan, like intruders. So yeah, even they can rob us, the intruders, some animals. So they're telling not to go.
Sorry, they can be militants.
Yeah, militants like beside India, Pakistani intruders. They can be, they may not, or may, I don't know, but to be on the safer side, sorry guys. अंगे पापा डाउन ले. क्यों ऐसा जंप करके?
सावधानी से.
हाँ. भाई साहब. हाँ.
इन ड्रेस से सीकर माटी करना.
आ जाओ बाय, आ जाओ. संभाल के.
काट के पिकअप लो.
Ice mountain, ice mountain. Man, my new HP bag. This is muddy. So guys, I'm just gonna call my dad and see where to go. See this view, man. I'm just afraid, man. I'm just afraid of heights. Just like when I'm at a great height, it's not like that. I'm not afraid in that situation. But this, when I see some heights, the distance at the heights, the altitude in which the mountain is, it makes me goosebumps. It brings me goosebumps, man. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna call my dad and I'll ask them the plan, where to go, and yeah, that's it, the plan.
இது வச்சுக்கோ குச்சி நம்ம இன்னொரு மவுண்டன் போகிறோம் அங்கே கூட யூஸ் ஆகும்.
Mountain, again mountain.
ஒன் மோர் மவுண்டன்.
Where?
இது என்னது ஆரு வேலி என்ன ஊர் ஆரு வேலி ಬೇತಾಬ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೂರು ಸಲನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಒன்று
ಇದು
ಅದು ಇದೇ ಮರಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ
Amba Valley.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆರು ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಕುಳಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, Araval is nicer than this, but this is outstanding. Just see the mountain. Just see the view of the mountain. See, we are just inches. We're just inches from the mountain. The highest mountain which can be also seen in from our hotel also. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cool, man. Wait. Yeah. So that's it, guys. एंड वो देखो बच्चे यहाँ इतनी दूर आके बच्चे झूला झूल रहे हैं साले. नहीं, कहाँ गया उसका पैसा? हाँ, इतना दूर. मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर टूरिस्ट एंड दे कमिंग हियर एंड प्लेइंग झूला झूला. व्हाट टू सेल देयर विश. व्हाट कैन आई टेक? सो या गाइस, एज आई टोल्ड, so yeah, another thing, please wait, please check out my Insta, link in the description below, and there'll be some photo, there'll be some scenery photo which you can screenshot and use it for your own. So yeah, let's see what is the next plan. बाय. एक चीज़ तो बोलता हूँ, स्प्राइट के साथ ये सीनरी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So guys, the next plan is going to the third valley, so the last valley, as I told in the starting vlog, the first vlog. I don't remember what's the name. I don't remember the previous vlog. दो तो हो गया, 300 वाला. So the third valley, I'll tell you the name afterwards. So yeah, that valley we are going. So all the valleys are same, like they're very similar to each other. So yeah, they were telling this valley is very nice, but it's not. It is the wait. Yeah, this is not nice compared to the last one, which is the first valley. Wait, I'll just remember the names and tell you all. So yeah guys, this is the Behta Valley, and next we're going to Chandavari, and all the things compared, the Aru Valley is better than this valley, because there are many places to explore, but this is not nice. The Aru Valley was better. The fresh waters we can feel, and yeah, the scenery is nice here, but yeah, let's see the next valley. And the scenery you can see here, the sprite. So I'll meet you in the cab. Bye. So guys, finally we're going to Chandanwari. So yeah, there's some beautiful outstanding scenery here. Guys, I drank Sprite and I don't know what I'm talking. Lol. Yeah, man. So I'll just set it on time lapse and till Chandanwari. Bye. I'll meet you at Chandanwari. So guys, I've finally arrived to Chandanwari and please bring some warm clothes. It's very cold out here and we are actually Chandanwari is a place where it's especially for the photos.
बस क्या कल आ जाए था सब काम कर जैसे पाएंगे
The Chandanwari is especially for photos. Little we get incredible photos. So yeah, let's see how it goes. They're telling to trek on this mountain. They're telling the photo comes very nice, and as they told, it's getting nicer from here only, from the entrance. I'm very tired. Guys, I request. Guys, I please request you to bring all the warm clothes you have in your home. It's very cold after 4 o'clock, man. So, guys, after some time trekking, just see this beauty, man. The water from which it originated. Me, tired with this Gandhi stick. The water smell. Wow. Sometime I'll take some photos and I'll continue vlogging. So you'll find my photos in Instagram down in the description. Check it out now. No. Sorry. आप नहीं वीडियो के बाद. हाँ. Guys, just see the ASMR sound, man. The water flowing for some minutes. Wow, so good, na? I just want to be here, man. I just want to reside here. So good. This goes from here all the way to there and there. And the roads where it come, the same water. It's the same water. The guide told us. Water test. सबसे शुद्ध पानी. Oh man, so good. So इस वाटर साउंड के साथ मैं आउटरो देना चाहता हूँ. So ये I think it's the 4th, 5th, 6th vlog. I don't remember. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.